What's going on, guys? I just lost the footage to my video, and I'm just showing you what I got done. I got a little bit of honey. Yay. So, all I need to do right now is just grind up honey and grind up pollen and make it into honey. That's all I need to do right now, because I want the Portland Dipper, so I'm saving up. I'll be back when I'm ready for Red Boost. Okay, guys, so I just completed the Black Bear quest, and I thought I would show it to you guys on camera. Here we go. How was your walk? No, that's horrible. How was your walk? Nice job. Here's a blue extract. Just 6 more quests and Star Jelly is yours. Yay. Going to school. Plus 5 tickets. Yes. I'm not necessarily a fashionable, but I recognize the importance of a good outfit, especially for beekeepers like you. The accessories you can buy in the shops are crucial for improving your honey-making abilities. For example, the shoulder guards you can find in the red and blue HQs. Okay. Yay! Get ready. Does that mean I'm about to get the star treat? I'll be back when I'm done when I get my red boot. I got Rose. So guys, I'm just gonna do a little grinding on camera until I have to leave to go to the bus stop. So just watch this. This is gonna be fun. So, we're just getting all the tokens and stuff, because I do need lots of ability tokens. And I also need lots of goo from the red field, because for Star Journey, you need to complete, you need to get 5 million goo from red flowers. Luckily I have the gummy beer. This would be really hard. It was like, So, I'm just collecting lots of red pollen with goo on it. Mostly. And I'll be back. Actually, no. I'm just going to stay on camera. I want this video to be a bit longer. Yeah, we got some goo. Let's see how much I have already. So, 420,000. So that's okay so far. Saying that I only got it yesterday. And when you hear me try to pronounce an R, it's because I need to practice my R's because I can't pronounce them. So I have to go to school, guys, and I will see you in a little bit. Goodbye.